Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I will show you how you can easily unfriend your friends on Snapchat. So in the last week I was looking at some options on how to unfriend someone from Snapchat and I was struggling on how to do it. Eventually I have found a solution which I will show to you guys. Now first of all you need to open Snapchat as usual, and then you have to go to the person that you want to unfriend. Now, most of the people do the mistake that they press on the image of that person, which obviously opens the profile. You don't have to do that. You just have to press for 2 seconds on that person's name, and then you have to click on Manage Friendship. Once you click on the Manage Friendship, there is an option that you can press in order to remove that person from your friend list. So this is a simple tutorial that you can use in order to remove someone from Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.